What's up, guys? I just made $25 from this site. The setup is very simple and direct. I'm going to show you guys how to go about it.
And within the next 10 minutes, you'll also be able to make $25.
Okay, guys, this is me redeeming my $20 after doing the required tax. So now let me claim my $20. Add Okay, so after registering, you open the app, make sure your VPN is on, is connected to the United States. You register using your email, and once you're inside your account, you will click on the bottom left icon, and then you will see a gift sign at the top. Click on it, and you see refer, and then click on the I was referred. So while here, do make sure you include my referral code. The referral code is in the comment section, so make sure you include the referral code so you can also claim your $5 and also be able to be eligible to refer others. Here is where you will get you include the referral code so you can start your your 3 tax to get your first $5 gift card, and then after getting your $5 gift card, you'll be an eligible referrer. So you need to get this $5 gift card before you can start referring people. You can see here, these are the tags: 1 quality image post, 1 quality video post, 1 more quality post of your choice, and 5 comments. So let's track my. So you can see my tags are completed now. Now let me show you something. Here is what you do if they ask you to like 5 cards. These videos is what they refer to as cards. So this is you liking 5 cards. I've liked the first one, I've liked the second one. But make sure you view the post. Like, okay, let's say I'm trying to like this, I click on it, I view it, then I like. So if you do this for 5 posts, you've completed your 5 tags. Then you go down to comments. You can see your comments. Make sure you make meaningful comments. This one I say, thoughts after breaking my 2-month sugar detox last night. I honestly was really craving the cake last night, though I deserve a treat. No regrets, but definitely opened my eyes to a few things. I wasn't the magical experience I built up. Blah 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 blah. So just read it and give a. Let's say, oh, that's nice. And you go back. So you make 3 comments. At the end of the day, and also if they ask you to save, you see this here. You click on save, and it saves the post for you. So that's how you complete your onboarding tax. Now you've done it, the next thing you claim your reward. So let's put you make sure your Gmail is correct and you make your withdrawal. Yes, I like it. Alright, so not now. Now you are not eligible for referral. Now alright, here you can see a $20 tax. Click on it. You need to complete this task within 7 days, and all you need to do is 1 quality image post. You are going to post 1 image. 1 quality video post. You are going to make a short video, or maybe you download a short video that doesn't have any copyright infringement, and you post it. Then 1 quality post of your choice. So you're going to post either image, video, or article. then 5 comments. You are going to comment on 5 people's posts. Now let me start by me personally. I will create a video, a welcome video. What is a welcome video? A welcome video is just a video introducing myself to the platform. This is my name, this is what I'm interested in, this is what I like, this is what's, stuff like that. So my video would be, let's say, a minute long, and then I'll post. For the photo, the image, I think I'm just gonna look for an image on something I'm interested in, let's say football, and I'll post it. And then for the next post, I'm going to post an article. So that is it. You can get an article somewhere and post. Just copy an article, edit it, and post. It doesn't matter. So that's how you get this people. So then you can now start referring people. The first 5 and the first 3 people you refer, you get an additional $10, and you have a maximum of 20 referral. If you refer 20 people, you get $100. This is a new social media, just like TikTok. So I think they are trying to promote it, and you know how much those people like to put money into things like this. So make sure you earn your money as soon as possible and just make something out of this. See, I have done it all. I have made a post, post pictures and videos. Mind you, some of your posts might not be eligible if it's vague. You need to add some quality to your video, some write-up, just make it some value, just make it something valuable for people to see. So you can see you have claimed your reward on 30, blah blah blah. So, and that is it. I've claimed a reward for this and I'm done. $25, so easy.